Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in crude oil option market, and it's a continuous video presentation for the various positions we had taken, and we had taken it quite earlier, and now it's updates on how we are moving in this option trading. So we had taken more positions, and this is a summary of the position, and it's a current as per the current LTP, what is the MTM loss and profit. So these are the various positions. If you are new to this video analysis, please go back to our playlist and get some updates. So at present we have two call sell which is in terrible loss. That's the pain point we have. For call sell at 4500, 4600, both these are deep in the money option, so the delta is very high. It's creating a loss of a lot of pain for us. So now the price is trading at 5091. It looks like after a sort of consolidation, and it's ready to move up again. So it's a dangerous thing. We need to do something here. So if the price is moving above 5130, so we want to give a buffer for this resistance also. If the price is moving above 5130, we can close this call sell 4500, which will be in a deep loss. We need to close this position and we need to take some risk. So what we'll be doing, go for 5100 strike for 5100 put option and sell a single lot of put option, which means that our expectation is up, but we want to be a seller of option. So if the price is moving near 5200, we can make some profit. This is going to be the first adjustments we need to do if the price is moving above 5130. In order to summarize everything, the net loss at this point of time is 259 points. So this is the total loss we have at this point of time. So we need to manage something here because we have hardly 7-8 days for contract expiry. We will try our best to do things, and finally we will update the conclusion by the end of this expiry. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.